Hello everybody, my name is Naveed and today we are learning how to make a cake out of Play-Doh. You will need Play-Doh. Get it all out like that. Make it into a ball like that. And now cut it in half. You can use a ruler or you can try and do it with the cup. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Get one piece away. We're using this piece. It doesn't matter which piece. Flatten it out like that. Enough for your box to go over it. Mine needs to be a bit bigger. There we go. Let's check again. Yeah. Cut the extra bits off. So you've just got the Play-Doh inside. Get it out. And now get the big piece. Get that in half. It doesn't have to be directly half. And make it into a sausage. Not too long. About that long. Maybe a bit longer. Like that. Just get the thick parts a bit thinner. Now get this. Leave a bit of space and then draw a circle with your Play-Doh. Like that. Now just to show you what I'm going to do is put it in a bit more on top and then repeat. Make sure you're looking at all the directions that it's going from. So mine's alright for now. And then we've got our icing. And make sure that you've got a point or get the point in the middle facing somewhere else, or get your other piece and do it. That would be your cupcake, but if you wanted to add sprinkles, I'll show you how. What you're going to do is roll it really thin, but not that thin that it'll snap. So mine's thin, and what you're going to do with your cup or your ruler, just make little ones like that. I found another one. And keep on doing that. It's easy to do it with a ruler. When you've got about 11 or 10, just stop. Or 15, something like that. Now, place them wherever you want on your cupcake. And there we have it. if it doesn't look good with the sprinkles, you can take them off. Just like that. So yeah, thanks. And we made it the same size as the box, so you can slide it back in to your box and put the lid on top, of course. Thanks for watching. Bye.